here, my name's Kristen, and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. So it is about 12 o'clock at night, and I just got back from a very large shopping spree at HomeGoods, Burlington, and Ross. And I just kind of wanted to do like a mini little haul for you guys. So I just got a new roommate and I was cleaning out the kitchen and trying to make some room for her and stuff. And I kind of got in the mood to reorganize my pantry and everything. So with that, I decided to take like a good hard look at all of my stuff and just toss whatever was really old or like I wasn't using. And I just went and I bought all new fresh stuff. So actually, let's start with what I purchased on Amazon. These did not come in yet. I bought these and I also bought the lids. They didn't come with the lids. You had to buy the lids separately. So we'll see how they go. I also purchased this paper towel holder because I needed it. My last one was my other roommate's and she took it with her when she left and I didn't realize how much of a difference it makes. Okay, so let's get into the actual haul. I picked up this pot rack. So you put it in your cabinet like this and you can stick your pans in it and they're not sitting on top of each other. And I picked this up specifically because I just purchased like really expensive pans. I'm gonna try like super hard not to scratch them. I'm only gonna use soft silicone spatulas and stuff on them. I'm gonna try and take like really good care of them. So I think this is gonna help. Not only is it useful for organizing, but it will keep your pans from like, you know, sitting on top of each other and scraping them when you're trying to throw them in the drawer. So excited about this. This was only $9.99. They had cheaper ones, but I was just like, why not just pay the extra couple bucks and get the good one? Then this should be like the only one I ever buy. So next on the list, me and my roommate both have our own pot and pan scrubber, and there's another pot and pan scrubber just for like the dog and cat food bowls. So I picked up this. This is a little over the sink caddy. And hopefully it will be able to keep all of our stuff in it because right now we're just tossing it in the sink. It doesn't look very pretty. So this adjusts to fit the width of your sink. And this was only $7.49. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. We will see. If not, I can always return it. Speaking of over the sink things, I picked up this colander. So I'm so excited. It also expands to fit over your sink and it has like, it's pretty like thin mesh. And I'm really excited about this because I can like wash my veggies now, like rinse it while it's hanging over the side. And the best part is when you make pasta and you go to pour it into the colander in the sink, did you ever realize like the water just pools up in the sink and like that can't really be good because the water's just in the sink and then it's swishing inside of your pasta. So I'm really excited for this. So hopefully no more pasta puddle juice in the sink. This is Cuisine Art and this was only $9.99. I saw these at Walmart and they were like $16.99. Like all colanders at Walmart are really expensive. Don't get them there. Definitely head over to like HomeGoods or something and pick them up from there. Ross also had them. So I love to make sheet pan veggies and I actually always find that my sheet pans are never big enough. I'm always using like 2 of them or 3 of them. So I bought this huge giant cookie sheet. This was $12.99 and it is PFOA free non-stick. That's the acronym. It's PFOA. This is supposed to like not warp or anything. So it was only $12.99. It's really good quality. It's not bendy at all and I'm really excited to try this out. So after I picked that up, I thought I was only going to be using that, but then I realized I'm like, what if I'm just making like a tiny little dish or like I'm baking fish? I don't need that big giant pan. So I got this set. This was at Burlington. These are 3 pans and I love that they sit inside of each other. So they like nest. The 3 of these, this is also PFOA free and it was only $9.99. So really excited about these. Next on the list are these mixing bowls. So it is a set of 6 and they all fit nice and like they nest inside of each other. The colors are really nice when you look into it. It's a hard, thick plastic, so it's not super flimsy. And yeah, I'm really excited about these. The brand is Shabby Chic. I got it at HomeGoods and it was $14.99. I was debating whether I wanted to get one stainless steel one, but then I thought like, all right, well, what about the cake recipes when you have to mix all your dry ingredients in one, and then they want you to beat an egg in another and wait for this to do that. So I thought a nesting bowl would be really good. At first I was like, I don't need that many bowls. I just want to get a stainless steel one, but I'm really happy I went with this one. Sorry guys, I just got my hair done and I got like shadow roots and they parted it in the middle and it's just, I don't know, I'm having some issues. Okay, and then I picked up this can organizer. I always keep walking by these and I'm like, do I really want to get one? I don't really know. I don't use this many cans, but I just switched Ollie's food. Ollie's now on like this really expensive gastrointestinal special stuff and I have to order it from Chewy with a prescription from the doctor. Anyway, it comes in these big cans, so I thought this would be perfect for that, and then I can also set things on top of it. So really excited. If I don't use it that much, I mean, I don't know why I wouldn't use it, but very excited for this. This was $7.99. I also picked up an oil and vinegar bottle. I always see on other YouTubers, they always have the olive oil sitting out and it's really nice. So I don't know, this was $3.99 and I just wanted one. I actually bought this yesterday, but I'll include it in today's haul. It's a stainless steel pot, and I like that the lid has these vents. So it's either like $29 or $39 and it's stainless steel. It also has like the numbers on the side of how many quarts, you know, when you're filling it up with water. So this is not kitchen related, but I got Ollie this super cute little dog coat. I have a really hard time finding things that will fit him. He's very, very, very tiny, but it's just freaking adorable. It was $12.99. I love it, but I think it might be just a tad too small. It's a little bit tight in the front, but look at how freaking cute it is. Oh my god, I can't stand it. So I did end up returning this and I got a couple other ones, and make sure that you watch my next video because I will feature them in there. One quick thing that I wanted to show you was my spice drawer. And what I did was I got this labeling machine. So this is from Amazon. I think it was like $12. And whenever I get a new spice, I print out the label and I put it on the top so I can quickly and easily see the spices that I have. I know some people will buy their own jars and they'll pour spices into the jars, but at Walmart, they have like this great brand. It's their own brand. It's organic. So all of these spices are organic. They're in a nice glass container. They have a really good selection. Pretty much have everything that I need. And whatever they don't in these jars, I do have like my own from IKEA that I fill up. I love this system and just some, you know, pantry organization inspiration for you. Okay, so that is all I have for this very super quick and random haul. I just wanted to show you guys what I bought, give you some inspiration and ideas for like cleaning out your kitchen and just starting fresh, because I'm like so excited to go cook and use all of this stuff now. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.